Okay, I tried to debug some of the things that are here in relation to this Google Sheets CRUD API example. Discovered that some of the errors were in relation to the code itself on the demo. So let's create a new record. We're going to create a couple of them here now. So be at email.com. I'm going to go up to email.com. So as you can see, we're adding a record here and it's being created on this particular Excel spreadsheet here. So d at email.com and then e at email.com. So this is just a simple demonstration. So these are listed here. So what we're going to do is to toggle the status for this one. And then this changes to be inactive and this one changes to be inactive. Let's also do this one on E. So this changes to be inactive and this changes to be inactive. So if we want to filter our records by active, so it basically means that let's filter these ones, only show active. We go there and it's listing only the active one. And then inactive, it basically there's 2 here, so there's 2 here. So this basically goes and fetches the records from these sheets and then does a filter on client side. So let's get the records, get everything that is there. So to update, let's get the record by ID. As you can see, we have streamlined this now. So it's no longer showing extra data like the success and all sorts of things. So let's change the status to active and let's change the email to B1. So save changes. So the record is updated successfully, it changes to B1 and then it changes to active. Changes to B1, changes to active, you know. So we have done that one. And then let's say delete this one. So we're deleting D. Delete D. So D is deleted from there, you know. Let's do this. See our logs here. So this is everything that has happened here. We created a record, we executed a getAll, you know, and all sorts of other things. So this is just showing us in terms of what's happening internally within our database. You know. So what I've demonstrated here is how the users table has been created. Each user has their own ID and then the various fields that we need to have there. But the good thing about Google Sheets is that we can create the charts and everything else in here, and then as soon as we update the information, it will show there. So the creation, it works. Anele at email.com. Anele at email.com, for example, if I wanted to do that. So create. So for example, for now, if we do another record with the same credentials, it will save it, of course, because the ID is unique here, but we might have to do client-side validation that we don't have duplicated names or duplicated email addresses. So it's something that we'll have to do internally and work on it. But the basic functionality in relation to creating the records, updating them, for example, if we might say we want to actually update this one, the name is Anel here, then we save the changes, you know, and then we get records. It's possibly our session is expired here. Yeah, see error, sheetAPI error, what. You know, so Let's get records. Let's clear the logs. Try and get the records again. Yeah, access token is expired. So we need to actually work on that and make sure that our access tokens are refreshed, you know. But basically the functionality in relation to what I wanted to demonstrate here is working. We're able to create records, update them, read them, and also delete them. So which basically we can use this mode to store records for our database. But I mean, functionality like this should not be used for data intensive applications because the cause that gets created, you know, let's get made to actually execute these functions to the Excel, sorry, to the Google Sheets Excel, okay, to the spreadsheet can be a lot over time, you know, so you'll use it for your small applications, and all sorts of other things that you want to manage quickly. All right.